I mean, Tony, we've talked about a little bit about your journey from your time as a young lawyer in Chicago, learning about these issues. And I'm wondering, when you think about both trying to convince a jury and trying to convince legislators in Washington, uh, which group do you think is harder to convince to move in a way that's effective?
There's no doubt, Robert, that it's harder to convince the legislatures and the politicians because they have agendas. You know, at least with the jury, we get the opportunity to question them before they actually sit for a trial through a process called voir dire. We get to find out if a juror, potential juror, actually has a problem with this particular case that they're sitting for, and we get to excuse them. We don't get to excuse our politicians like we do jurors. We don't get politicians of our peers, so to speak, because even if we elect them, they seem to do what they want to do sometimes without really listening to their constituents. And that's what's so frustrating
Yes.
because there is no doubt that a year ago, where the court of public opinion was on this issue, and that was to get something done. And instead, what happened? Like Ben said, they put politics over people, and it's quite a shame. And I could use much stronger language over the fact that the George Floyd Police Reform Act was not passed. We had no better opportunity than this event to really have wide ranging, wide sweeping reform in policing, and we blew it.